How to fix Popmart Error 500 Unable to process order and cannot buy issue. If you're getting the error 500 on Popmart when you're trying to place an order, in this video I will show you quick fixes to get you buying again. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. If you're on weak or public Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or try another network altogether and check if the problem is fixed. If not, then the next thing you want to do is log out and log back in. For that, click on the My Account option. Then select Sign Out. Once you have been signed out, you want to again enter your credentials and log into your account. If your issue is not fixed, you can also check Popmart's official Instagram or WeChat for downtime updates. Next thing you want to do is clear cache and data. If you're using the Popmart app, you want to clear cache of that application. If you're using the web browser, click on these three dots, then select Delete Browsing Data option, or click on Settings. Now, click on Privacy and Security. From here, select Delete Browsing Data. Now for time range, select All Time. Make sure to check all of these three boxes, then click on the Delete Data option. If your problem is still not fixed, you want to contact the customer support. For that, scroll all the way down. Here you will find the Contact Us option. You can either chat with the customer support or email them. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.